Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to make slow motion TikTok videos. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Now tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner of the video you want to edit. Then tap on Save Video to download it to your device. Next, open the Safari app and search for Slow-Mo Video. From the search results, click on the first link such as Veed.io. On the website, tap on Choose Video to begin editing. Now, click Accept and Continue if prompted. Next, tap on Media, then select Choose Files. From here, select the video you downloaded from TikTok. Now tap Add to upload the video to the editor. You will see the video uploading. This might take a moment. Once the upload is complete, you can edit the video to apply the slow motion effect. After making edits, tap on Media again and select the same video to finalize your changes. As you can see, your slow motion video is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.